In a world of shadows and silence deep, a voice of justice still dares to speak. From Kufa's soil to every land, Ali's truth forever stands. He walked with grace, his hands so wide, no kingly robe, no armored pride. He fed the orphan, gave the poor. With every knock he opened doors. Ali, the light that never dies, justice shining through the skies. Love for all, both near and far. Ali, our soul's eternal star. Ali, Adal का निशान है, मोहब्बत की पहचान है. The moon would rise, he'd give his bread and bow before the one who led. He fought for truth, not name or fame, and burned injustice in Allah's name. He whispered prayers with tearful eyes. He answered every widow's cries. In battle strong, in peace he'd kneel. The lion's heart, the healer's zeal. Ali was not a man of power, he was the mirror of divine hour. If you seek justice, look his way, his light still guides our hearts today. Ali, the light that never dies, justice shining through the skies. Ali, रहमत का दरिया है, जुल्म को रोकने वाला है. Love for all, both near and far. Ali, our soul's eternal star. जिसने प्यासे को पानी दिया, जख्म पे मरहम भी अली ने दिया. रात को रोती सब में बांधी, ना कभी रूठा ना कभी शांति. From east to west, his light has spread. In hearts of just, in words we've said. A brother's love, a leader's guide. With Ali's name, we walk with pride. Oh world, if you seek peace again, learn from Ali, the friend of pain. His truth was firm, his mercy wide. Ali lives on with love as guide. Ali, the light that never dies, justice rising in our cries. मोहब्बत का जहान Ali, मज़लूमों की जान Ali. Guide our hearts, erase our scars. Ali, our soul's eternal star. Ali, Ali, the flame of truth will never fade. Oh Ali, your name, our shade, our shade.